In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see the top gainers on TradingView. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. The first step to accessing the top gainers is to head over to TradingView. You can obviously search for it on your browser by typing in TradingView. Once you find it, click on the link to enter their website. Great. Now that you're on the TradingView homepage, let's move on to the next step. In the upper menu of the page, you're going to see a section labeled Charts. Go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the charting interface, which is where we can explore different stock metrics. Once you're on the Charts page, look towards the bottom right corner of your screen. There, you'll find a menu option labeled Screeners. Click on this option and it will open up a variety of market filtering tools. This is where the magic begins. You're doing great so far. Now, from the Screeners menu, you'll want to change the view from Overview to Performance. This will provide you a concentrated focus on how different stocks are performing, which is exactly what we're after when looking for the top gainers. Next, it's crucial to select which market you want to analyze. You can choose from options like the US market, Indian stocks, or any other market that's available on TradingView. Take a moment to adjust this setting based on your personal interest or trading strategy. Now that you've set your market, let's take a closer look at the metrics. Look for an option that says Change Percent. This value represents the percentage increase of stocks and is fundamental in identifying which ones are the top gainers. Click on this and it will help filter your results more effectively. Almost there. After clicking on Change Percent, you're going to want to sort these results. There should be an option to sort your selected stocks in descending order. By doing this, you'll bring the biggest movers to the top of your list, making it much easier to see which stocks have gained the most. After you complete that, take a look at how you'd like to visualize this data. You can either choose to keep it in list format or switch to a chart view. Depending on your preference, you can view the data as a table for quick comparisons, or in chart format for a more visual representation of how these stocks are performing over time. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily access and view the top gainers on TradingView. Whether you're tracking your investments or researching new opportunities, this method will give you valuable insights into market performance. If you have found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using TradingView effectively. Thank you for watching and happy trading.